flapping his tail everywhere.
You seriously got a video of it?
Well, maybe I'll look up what kind of bird this is and put it on in the description. I wouldn't count on it though. If you're watching this, you're probably like, what the heck? A bunch of birds. I don't even know what kind of birds they are. But hey, I'm out here listening to the birds and enjoying the nature. Alrighty? That's the whole point. We're supposed to be canoeing right now. Anyway, we're going to do that tomorrow. And we'll take y'all along with us canoeing tomorrow. But today we're just on our nature hike. And my son William, he really wanted a video of that little black and red bird, which I'm not sure what kind of bird that is.